Hello brother and sister. Today I will going to review my old Victorinox SWISS CHAMP. Here is how it look like. For information, this Victorinox I bought it at Singapore around 1995, and since then it has come with me to countless journey and travel. And the travel mode would be by sea, by air, or by land. So since 1995 until date of today, it's around 27 years. This video is posted on 2022. So you can see it has crack on the edge. Perhaps it happened when I using it as a emergency hammer on the spot. And mini screwdriver, which I mostly use for tightening the screw on the sunglasses or reading glasses. I bought the replacement screwdriver, quite expensive for such a tiny screwdriver, and the price it doesn't make any sense. You can see the dirt, and this Victorinox is been cleaned for a few times with warm water, and then I put some oil into it. Now I will going to open each tool and let you see how is the condition after around 27 years. All tool is still good intact, only show some wear sign. And the spring have been replaced once because I lost it somewhere. In my perspective and opinion, this multi-tool from Victorinox will stand for me for a lifetime. And the blade has been resharpened few times since it bought. You can see the dirt that collected inside. And you can see the saw tooth is almost coming flat. But this Victorinox is still going strong for everything that I need when I'm doing travel. And the pen, it's also been replaced with a newer unit. The tweezer, toothpick, you can see some of the wear mark because I use it as a hammer for a few jobs when it comes to emergency, when I need it most. And if there is raise a question for me, would I buy a new Victorinox multi-tool in the future times? Definitely, I will say yes. And other brand beside Victorinox, maybe a Leatherman, I will try, because I never own a single unit of the Leatherman multi-tool. And that's all for my review for the multi-tool for Victorinox. I owe many jobs to this tool very much. Thanks for watching this video.